The paper punch is an accessory that allows you to poke holes in the sandpaper on your sander so you can use dust extraction. Using a vacuum to remove sawdust created by your sander not only makes for a cleaner and more pleasant work area, but it also makes your sandpaper last longer and sand faster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the paper punch with your sander.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The paper punch is used to punch holes in your sandpaper so you can use dust collection with your sander. To start, go ahead and install the sandpaper onto your sander as you normally would. With the paper installed on the sander, now I just line up the corner with the punch with one of the corners on the sanding pad and press the punch through the paper. And now the paper is ready to work with dust collection. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.